Hello YouTube family, welcome back to another video. As you can already see from the video, I have just failed my first Apex funded account challenge, and the reason being was I decided to switch up a bit my risk management. So the way I was trading before, I was only risking 0.3% per trade, which is a very conservative approach. And what happened is that I just noticed it was going to take me way longer than I thought to finish the challenge. Was going to take me about 2 to 3 months. It really depends. Plus, I have the chance of failing, right? So I decided to increase my risk to 1.5% per trade. Sometimes 2%. It really depends of the move, right? All I'm trying to do is I'm trying to pass the challenge in 1 or 2 trades. But what that does is since I increase my risk, that means that I also increase the risk of failing, and that is exactly what happened yesterday. I took a trade. I was already on a drawdown. I took a trade risking about 2%, and what happened is that they have trailing drawdown, right? So it makes it a bit tough. It makes a bit easier for you to fail as well, which is totally understandable, So I pretty much wanted to show you guys the trade I took. It was a really good trade in my eyes. So right now I'm trying to get tapped in this trade over here. As you guys can see, I'm risking, this is a 50k account. It's another account that I've got. So they only cost about, so for my 300k I've only paid $48. So I lost that account, so I'm minus $48 in my PNL overall, which is not too bad. This 50k account I paid 36, right? So as you guys can see, I'm risking 975, which is almost 2%, and my target is 3,000, which it's enough for me to pass, right? 3,093 is gonna be enough for me to pass. Only thing is that I was expecting this retracement over here to come all the way to my 69% retracement. It's not coming, so if we break this low over here, I'm just gonna cancel my order, and yeah, I'm gonna see tomorrow. So the trade I took yesterday was on S&P 500 as well. This was the trade. We had price in a point of interest, started breaking to the downside, and then I had my entry here, but I just got taken out. I was really confident about this trade, but just like in life, nothing it's 100%. This is a game of probabilities, right? So I know I'm going to be profitable in a set of 50 to 100 trades. That means that I can lose 10 in a row, and then the next three are profitable, and I'm still in profit, right? So it's all about risk to ratio and win rate. I've already spoke to you guys about this before. So that's pretty much what has been happening. I am going to try and pass these challenges in one trade, just because they're so cheap. Like, I want to start trading with real money. Then once I start trading with real money, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start stacking more capital, right? So right now I'm going for the 50k. After I get the 50k, I'm gonna go for 100k. Then after that, I'm gonna try and stack 100, not 100. Sorry, I'm gonna try and stack 1 million in funding, because then I can risk only 0.1 per trade. I'm still gonna make some substantial profit, and by risking little, I also have more peace of mind, and also I leave more room for my trades to have a drawdown, right? Because what really messes you up is the drawdown. If you're risking a lot, you risk losing the account. If you're risking little, you know that your edge is going to play out in a set of trades, so 50 to 100 trades. So you need to give your strategy room to breathe. So this is my plan: accumulate a lot of capital, risk little, have more peace of mind, make more profits by risking little. And that's pretty much what has been happening. I brought two 50k accounts, of which one I'm trying now. The next one I'm going to try. If I pass this account, or if I fail, whatever, I'm going to start playing that one once something happened with this one. As of now, I'm just waiting to see what happens here. And Pretty much, guys, you need to believe in yourself. You need to believe things are possible. Everything is happening right now. Past, present, and future are happening right now. So if you can see something in your head, that thing that you see in your head, a future, your dream life, that is not a dream. That is actually happening right now. Everything is possible. The universe, it's infinite, and infinity is something hard for us to grasp, but infinity means that anything is possible, everything is possible. So the goals you have in your head, the dream life that you so much dream of, it's already happening right now. It's happening right now. The future is happening right now. So you just need to tap into the future. The way you tap into this future, you need to envision yourself. You need to feel the emotion as if that has already happened. But most importantly, you need to not doubt yourself. You need to know 100% this is possible, this is happening, this is going to happen, and it's already yours. And that's the kind of mentality I have. That's the kind of mentality you should have, and anyone should have, because anything is possible. So I'm not sad that I've lost this challenge. You know, steps in the road, ups and downs. Overall, we're always up, and this is just a little bump in the road, because I know I'm going to accumulate capital just like I said I would. You know, it's just a matter of time. So that's pretty much what I wanted to talk to you guys. Thanks again for all the support. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Love, peace.